This installation video provides a visual guidance for the installation of a Freedom barrier-free shower pan. Freedom shower pans are designed to sit directly on the subfloor surface. Recess or ramps are not required. Drain locations come in right, left, or center drain, covering most tub-to-shower retrofit applications. Please refer to the installation manual for specific details relating to the installation of your shower pan. An able-bodied adult must be present during the arrival of your pan to receive, inspect, and note on the bill of lading any visual damage to the carton or crate that may have occurred during transit. Do not allow the driver to leave until this is done. Failure to do so may limit or void your claim with the LTL carrier for repair or replacement. Photograph any suspicion of damage for your records and contact accessibility professionals immediately. Open carton to confirm you have received the correct size, drain location, accessories. Inspect for any damage or defects during transit. If any of the above issues have occurred, photograph and report immediately to accessibility professionals. The following is a list of the required tools. The following is a list of the materials needed. Check the framing pocket to ensure it is sized properly with the dimensions provided on the framing diagrams page in your installation instructions. Next, check the pocket for square, plumb, and level and make the necessary adjustments. Note, it is more common than not that adjustments will need to be made. Inspect the subfloor for level and structural integrity. A solid, non-flexing subfloor is required. Strengthen and replace any weak or damaged subfloor materials. Ensure pocket is clean from all debris. Even a small pebble can affect the draft to drain. Dry fit your pan to ensure it fits in the frame properly. Draw a line on the subfloor indicating the front point of the threshold. Remove pan. Now it is time to install the drain body. Remove the inside neoprene gasket and compression ring from the drain and set aside for a later step. Install the 2-inch no-caulk shower drain body on the pan with plumber's putty. Tighten the nut until snug and excess putty squeezes out around the flange. Remove excess. Prepare drain to meet local plumbing codes. The details for the drain core area can be found in the instructions on the framing diagrams page. A 10-inch by 10-inch opening around the drain is required to receive the shower pan and prevent the drain area from being pushed up out of its engineered position. Failure to do so will cause puddling in your shower. Stub out and extend the drain pipe 2 to 4 inches above the floor. The pan is ready to be adhered to the subfloor. Apply a rapid curing thin-set tile mortar to level and adhere base to the subfloor. The cure time for this procedure is as little as 2 hours. Place pan in position. Check for level and check for draft to drain. Secure the pan to all available studs, shimming where necessary, countersinking number 10 stainless steel screws. This allows the screw head to be flush with the finished flange so as not to interfere with the finished wall installation. Check for level and draft to drain one final time. This will be the last opportunity to ensure a perfectly level pan that has draft to the drain before installing the walls. Note, if floors are out of level more than 3/16 of an inch, you will need to fill the void using a rapid modified thin set or other material that will ensure your base has solid non-flexing support. While the adhesive cures, the pan needs to be secured to the floor using one of the following 2 methods. Bracing is the preferred method as it has demonstrated over time to provide the best results. Brace the unit as close to the drain as possible, as shown. A properly braced threshold will result in flush contact to the subfloor along the entire threshold. Leave braces intact for 4 hours. After 4 hours, remove the braces and check draft to drain one final time. When bracing is not possible, an alternative method is to weigh down the pan with 5-gallon buckets filled with water as shown. Again, after 4 hours, remove the weights and check draft to drain one final time. Cut the drain pipe even with the top of the rubber gasket using an inside pipe cutting tool. Using plumber's grease, lubricate the inside of the rubber gasket and slide over the drain pipe with beveled edge facing up. push down until it seats itself. Then screw compression ring into place until tight. Snap the grid drain into place. Place protection on the floor to prevent scratches and dings to the finish while completing the assembly process. The protection can be cut from the cardboard packaging as the example shown here. A collapsible water retainer and weighted shower curtain are recommended and available for purchase. When installed properly and paired together, they provide an effective and safe solution for keeping water in your barrier-free shower pad during use. For water splash options and detailed installation instructions, refer to Freedom Shower's website. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Freedom barrier-free shower pad, providing years of safety and independence.